Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm here at the Montreal Vermont and Essex Model Railroad Open House for 2025. So I'll be taking some videos of their open house, and this is one of two layouts that they have. This is their HO layout set in a more modern day. With, I think, which is what Ink shops over here, I think. Or more of the old Point St. Charles shops. Here.
I think there's another one. Oh wow! This is a circus one. Look up. There's a circus train.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's just see that.
You just see that. Watch, we'll show you the circus. Mama's gonna show. I'm gonna take a picture.
No, you go. I don't know anything.
You hold this.
So this is a wrecking train here, complete with rail, sectional track, trucks.
I told you to get it. You see better. Because I don't like the train. After Nolan's gonna show you if he has a train at his house.
I see you put this.
Yeah, after.
And there's a wrecking crane over here.
Wow.
He's putting the train. Look, he's putting the train. Look. Wow.
More trucks, and there's the crane.
This is let me see the works here. He's fixing the trains. You can't put it in
So we have the terminal here for the oil. And we got a big cement plant over here. Everything lit up.
big train. Look how cool.
Ok.
Do SD40-2s in the zebra stripe paint scheme. Coming around the bend here. And this is the really cool urban scene that they have built, complete with buildings and lighting. Such a well-detailed urban square. I think I even have that bus. They might have repainted it. We have RS-18s, I believe, on a train here that's going to go eventually. Idler Flat, and here they have a car float. And they have a small container ship. And tug. And basically what's a Liberty ship over here? I don't believe they had the Liberty ship or the other ship before. These are much more detailed than the last time I was here. Here's their version of St. Ambroise Street. And that bridge is kind of a swing bridge. There would have been a swing bridge there, I think, at one time. Now it's an immovable bridge. Excellent kid bashing done here with a lot of these commercial Walter skits. I like that Sioux Line hopper car. Really good.
J'ai commandé à la boîte d'eau. J'ai commandé une platinium parce que quand j'ai commandé à la boîte d'eau de la platinium, là j'étais comme OK. Là, le Saint-Hilaire de la boîte.
Some really well done warehouse districts here with some really cool industries. We come to a forestry scene with lots of complexes here for the forest products manufacturing.
C'est par où, toi? T'as un spot en dessous? Prends les spots? Ouais. Les lumières dans les escaliers en plus. Ouais. Puis ils sont pas trop éclairants, ils sont juste corrects.
And this is a circus train, possibly like the Ringling Brothers circus train. And the CN Point St. Charles International Caboose at the end. And there's another train coming through on their bridge scene.
Non, regarde, il va ouvrir le pont. retour, on va aller manger.
Hein? Après, il va être caché dans les vannes, après, là. Nous, on va s'en aller manger. Puis on va revenir une autre fois. C'est nous qu'on va faire une pause au restaurant.
Oui, tu dis ça, tu sais, on a tout le temps les films comme les switch.
Puis toi, il faut que tu grandisses, là, pour que quand on va revenir la prochaine fois, là, on n'aura pas besoin de te prendre dans nos bras. Ah, il est arrêté.
Ouais. On a été mis dans des expositions pour des compétitions de photos. Pas par ça. Ok. Non. Là, j'ai plus besoin, faut que je vais laisser une photo de votre réseau. Je vais te mettre le téléphone. Le numéro, c'est pas qui est dans la vie. Parce qu'un peu de
251.
Oh,
Je peux le faire, oui.
This is the beautiful wooded area with large high trestle bridges.
251.
And this is an ingenious setup where the train comes, does a circle around itself, and comes back, and they make it look like a junction. So it seems very natural to have the train come back.
Oh, je pense que oui. Il y a de la place en main.
Sur mon cou.
251?
Non, ils sont pas là.
C'est lui qui s'en remet.
C'est lui, le monsieur qui nous a invités.
Ok, on va faire ça.
On va s'en aller l'année prochaine.
Okay, I'll let you
Yeah.
film from now.
All right, man. Good seeing you. Okay, so this is the entire layout, so I'm going to end the video here. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.